utilizing the vehicles at the right destinations.
And now, environmentalist Dr Kalua has challenged the government to be more serious with a call to plant trees across the country. Now, if it is hit, the 15 billion trees target by 2032. Now, speaking during a tree planting exercise to mark this year's International Day of Forests under the theme Forests and Innovation, New Solutions for a Better World, Dr. Kalua said it was unfortunate that the country has not consistently heeded to the calls for tree planting even after millions of shillings were used in hiring choppers for ministers to plant trees, yet such funds would have been used to maintain trees and also purchase more seedlings.
Tunapanda vitu za matunda inatusaidia kwa kuweka maji na tena kwa kumwagilia ile mitunda sasa zile.
We have complicated the subject of environmental conservation by use of very heavy words, by activities that look and seem to be extremely expensive. When we go to grow trees with helicopters, when we make very big events around tree growing, people kind of deject or detest that process and imagine that it must be very complicated. There needs to be good and practical innovation around agroforestry, so that we are training the communities in a very practical way about how they can grow trees around their homesteads, the land use processes, the growing trees amongst the animals that you have at home, so that the result is very clear of improving the soil, because we are losing our soils.
Right now, East African Breweries Limited company has